I want to buy your home.
What?
You heard me. I want to buy your home.
But my home's not for sale.
It doesn't matter to me. Any condition, any size, I'll buy your...
Hey guys, so I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about real estate investment loans. So one thing that I have been talking about a lot lately is real estate investing, fix and flipping houses, or even buying turnkey properties, which means buying properties for short-term rentals such as Airbnb or Verbo, or even buying properties for long-term rentals for your real estate investment portfolio. Now, some of you guys are like, oh, well, I wish I could buy all these houses. I wish I could do this kind of stuff, but I wouldn't qualify for a loan and I don't have enough money to do so. Well, that's what I'm trying to tell you, is that real estate investment loans, which we call them non-QM loans, which is non-qualified mortgage, which are not backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. These are asset-based loans, which means that your credit is not entirely important. And number two, your income, such as your W-2, your taxes, how much money you make, is not factored in. These are non-income based loans. And number three, the amount of money you need to buy these properties. So one, let's talk about your credit. Credit does not have to be perfect. 600 plus is great. Sometimes no credit is necessary, but we just want to make sure that you don't have any foreclosures, any bankruptcies, or any mortgage late payments on your current credit history. If you have clean credit, the score is less important. You'll qualify for this loan. Number two, your income is not needed for any of these loans. When I say that these loans are asset-based, we are looking at the asset itself to qualify you for the loan. So if your asset, the house that you're buying, is cash flowing and it's making money, or it's projected to make you money on the flip side, then you're gonna qualify for this loan. So I don't need to see W-2s, I don't need to see bank statements, I don't need to see anything when it comes to money in your pocket and how much you make. And number three, how much money do you need to buy a real estate investment property? In some cases, and in most cases, $0. Now, let me elaborate. Yes, you are going to need money to invest in real estate, but the systems and procedures that I have in place can allow for borrowing private money, and we call it gap funding. Will cover all of your down payment, all of your closing costs, and all of your carrying costs, your monthly payments, and everything like that throughout the project, to where you don't have to have that money up front. I will find people to provide you money to accomplish the project. So the three biggest fears that new investors think about when it comes to real estate is their credit score, is their income, and if they're going to qualify for these loans, and then B, how much money they need to get started. And really, credit, not a huge factor. Income, not a factor at all. And how much money you need to close or how much money you need to start, we find easy solutions to get you that money at no cost. Now that you know that, what's stopping you from investing in real estate? If you have any other questions, shoot me a DM and maybe I can answer them for you.